Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My group topic is Daud. So today I want to teach how to make a simple organizer for books. First, provide two pieces of box with the measuring is 18 by 34.7 cm. Then make a mark like I do at the second box and cut the line. The result will be like that. After that, prepare another 3 boxes with measuring 34.7 by 8 cm, 8 by 70 cm and 8 by 9 cm as the picture at the back. To make our box organizer look beautiful, we can wrap all the box part by using a gift wrapper paper or A4 color paper. And to attach each part of the box organizer, we need to use a glue to ensure each part is stick well. First, we glue the edge of component A, measuring 90 cm and stick to the part of component C, which has the same size. The next step is to take component D and glue the sub part of component measuring 70 cm and stick it on the part of component A, measuring 18 cm. After that, take component E and glue the sub part of component measuring 34.7 cm and stick it on the part of component A, which also have the same size. After finishing attaching the component C, D and E, take component B and glue it together with component A using a glue. So this is how it came out and is ready to use.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hanisah Binti Rosli. Today I will make a simple DIY project. My idea was to make a beautiful waterfall card. Okay, so let's go. First, you need color paper, scissor, pencil, marker, glue and ruler. Then continue by lining the yellow paper into 7.5 cm and 8.5 cm for purple paper. After that, you need to cut your paper into the right size. Take the yellow paper and stick a glue on it. Then stamp on the purple paper. Do it repeatedly until you got 4 pieces. Take an A4 card and cut a panel the length of card. Then measure from the bottom up 8.5 cm and this will give you a square. Make a line every 1 cm and score and fold the card on each of the line in 8.5 cm per place the rest of your chosen piece. Glue the back completely and stick down. Now fold the pieces under. You will only glue in the 1 cm place. Continue until you fix all the ties in place along the score lines, only gluing on the top of the edge. The next step is to add the bar across the card that will hold everything in places. Fold the top part of strip back and slide it under the holding strip you just have done. You can decorate your waterfall card with a message or put a picture on it. Put a lot of sticker as your final touch. You should now be able to test the waterfall card mechanism. I hope you enjoy the video.
Oh no, my page! Why is always happen to me every time? How I wish I have a good bookmark for me. Or maybe I can make one. Yeah. Hi everyone, my name is Siti Aishah Binti Rahmat. My matriix number is D201910867777. Okay, do you guys ever experience the same situation like this? So, today I'm going to share with you guys how to make our own bookmark by using a recycle things and yeah, for sure low budget. So, let's go. Okay, but before that, we need to prepare a few things that we need to prepare our bookmark. Okay, first of all, double-sided tape, magic ink, you can use whatever color that you like, colored paper, scissor. Please be extra careful when you're handling with scissors. Rope, string, or ribbon, anything that you like that you can tie up to your bookmark. Punch hole, it can be 2-hole or 1-hole puncher. And the most important thing is price tag. You can get it from anywhere. The price tag can be any size, any shape, and also any design that you like. Okay, first of all, you have to prepare a piece of paper from the colored paper and make sure the size of a piece of paper is the same size like the back side of the price tag, so that we can cover all the price, the barcode, and any kind of thing at the back side. Okay, next we are going to write something that might inspire, motivated, or might enhance our willings or interest to read the book. Ta-da! Okay, so now we are going to use the double-sided tape to paste the quote, motivated quote that we just write to the back side of the price tag. Okay, so we are going to use a scissor, and please make sure that you are so careful and not going to hurt your own self when you use the scissor. Okay, now we're going to paste it on the price tag. Carefully paste it so that it's going to be very neat and in the correct place, just like this. Okay, now we are going to, as we are going to make sure that we won't lose the page again, we are going to tie some rope or even string or ribbon that you like to the price tag. Oh, sorry, so our new bookmark. Okay, we're going to make a hole using a puncher, just one, or you can do two at the top, and then side up the rope, ring or ribbon that you've prepared to our new bookmark. Ta-da! And by that, our bookmark is ready.
My name is Yusri bin Daud. I am from the 8033 program and from the SSK faculty, and I century in this SEM. First of all, I would like to create a simple DIY flower pot. First, we need to provide the material we want to use. First, we need a bottle, a scissor or knife. If you want to be more creative, you need a paint to color your DIY flower pots to make a beautiful flower pot. How to create a flower pot? First, we need to cut a bottle, use knife or scissor. Then we need a paint to color the bottle. DIY flower pots from bottle are ready and usable. That's all my DIY flower pots.